All right, this is going to be an extremely quick video going over how you find the area of a rectangle when your dimensions are mixed numbers. So you could look here in this problem. We have, thought it was going to let me. We have a rectangle. Okay, we have a rectangle here, and we have one side is 7 1/3 yards, and the other side is 4 4/5 yards, right? So we have a length of 7 1/3 yards, and we have the width of 4 4/5 yards. Okay, so you could see here, and to find the area, we do length times width. All right, so we got to find the area of the figure in square yards. So this means to find the area, I need to do 7 1/3 times 4 4/5. Okay, now I will tell you, the biggest distractor here is C, 28 4/15. Why? Because many of us think we do 7 times 4 is 28. And then we go to our fraction. 1 times 4 is 4, and 3 times 5 is 15, which would be the 28 4/15. But that is not how you multiply these mixed numbers. Okay? To multiply these mixed numbers, we know, for me, I start at my denominator is 3, multiply it by the whole number, and add the numerator. So I'm doing 3 times 7 is 21, and add my numerator is 22. So I get 22 over 3. Then I'm going to multiply that by 4 4/5, which is 5 times 4 is 20, and add the 4, which is 24/5. Okay, now here we're left with a large improper fraction times an improper fraction. So I do need to just multiply straight across. However, you can simplify this first by cross canceling. Okay, so when you cross cancel, I'm going to see it's just like simplifying, but I'm going to see 5, we look here, 5 and 22. Cross canceling. Does 5 go into 22? Nope, it can't. So I can't cross cancel anything. But can 3 go into 24? Yes. 3 is a common factor. So what I can do here is cross out my 3. 3 goes into 3 one time, and 3 goes into 24 8 times. Now I'm left with 22 times 8 for my numerator and 1 times 5 on my denominator, which 1 times 5 is 5. And now I have to do my 22 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 2 is 16, and 1 is 176. 176 over 5. Now we still have to simplify that. 176 fifths. So how can I simplify that? I'm going to go down here and go 5 goes into 176. 5 can't go into 1, but 5 can go into 17 3 times. That's 15. Subtract, that's 2. Bring down the 6. 5 goes into 26 5 times. That's 25. Subtract, and I'm left with 1. My divisor is 5, so it's 35 1/5, which is my problem there. And now if you did not simplify, you're going to be left with 22 over here, 22 times 24. Now, 22, I'm just going to do it scratch here. 22 times 24 is going to give you 8, 8, placeholder, 4, 4. It's going to give you 8, 12, 5, 528, and actually I lie. Yeah, oh yeah. No, that's going to be 528 as your numerator, and that would be over 15. Now that would be an extremely tough. You could simplify that, and you would have to do 15 goes into 528, and you're still going to get the same answer. But I think it's much easier if you go back and you cross cancel. You cross cancel from the beginning, and by cross canceling, I meant that 3 and that 24. Okay, so that is how you multiply or you find the area when your dimensions are mixed numbers. All right, make sure you like and subscribe.